Please stand for a moment of silence, followed by the pledge. And now, the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back to this November 5th edition of the Daily Growl. I'm Mike.
And I'm TJ.
We hope you fell back this weekend, or you're really early to second period. You'll get that one in a minute.
On this day in history, in 1932, as the two presidential candidates, Hoover and Roosevelt, wind up their tour of the country, a Roosevelt landslide is being predicted. The nation's 40 million voters will decide on Tuesday who will be the nation's next leader in these times of mass unemployment and hardship. Don't forget to vote.
You know, we totally forgot to throw in the Did You Know section of yesterday's news.
Yes, we did.
So we're going to add it today. Here we go. Number 5. Did you know that Orange Fanta is the third largest selling soft drink in the world? Number 4. Did you know Diet Coke was introduced only in 1982?
No, I didn't.
Number 3. Did you know that the first product to have a barcode was Wrigley's gum? Number 2. Did you know that the dollar values on the board game Monopoly have been the exact same since 1935? And number 1, don't miss this, but Cheerios were actually originally called Cheerios.
Really?
Let that soak in some milk, but don't let it get soggy. Share it with someone today.
Speaking of milk, the weather today here will be mostly cloudy with a high of 80 and a low of 67 with an 80% chance of rain. I don't always walk in the rain, but when I do, I get wet. So stay dry, my friends.
You know, we'd like to wish happy birthday today to Robert Algier, Mitchell Combs, Natalia Snipe, William Walker, and Kyler Wilkerson. We hope you guys have a wonderful birthday today.
Seniors, last chance to be in the yearbook. If you haven't had your picture taken by Katie and Katie Studios, Thursday, November 8th will be the last day. Katie and Katie will be here at BCHS that day taking pictures. You can make an appointment ahead of time by calling 1-800-547-6237 or by going to katiestudios.com. Do that today.
The PERT test will be given on Thursday, November 15th for students wanting to take dual enrollment in January. The requirements are that you must have a 3.0 GPA and you must be between the 10th and 12th grade. You will need to sign up in guidance by Friday, November 9th.
Attention juniors, attention class of 2020. Your fundraiser orders and money are due today. Make sure to get those to Miss Wheeler before the end of the day.
Hey, yearbooks are still on sale.
Yes.
Seniors, Herb Jones will be at BCHS for graduation orders on Thursday, November 8th and Friday, November 9th during lunches in the cafeteria. They will also be at the school for orders on the 8th after school from 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. Get that cap and gown ordered at those days.
This week, make sure you know what's happening. Today is the Letterman jacket fitting starting at 8. For those who are interested, and PBIS Cats Cafe is all this week. Wednesday is swim regionals, and Thursday is the last opportunity for senior portraits. Hope you scheduled your appointment. Friday is the home football game in the first round of the playoffs, so get excited and cheer on the Cats.
Ms. Clarity is still collecting food donations for our military locally and care package of supplies for our military overseas. The Jacksonville USO has sent a list of supplies needed for our troops, so if you're interested in donating, please stop by and see Ms. Clarity in room 1202.
If you are a student of Miss Clarity's, there's extra credit available. All supplies are due November 15th and will be delivered to NAS Jacks on Friday, November 16th.
Surf on over to bakerk12.org/BCHS and click on the calendar to keep up with all that's happening. Follow us today at Daily Growl on the Twitter, the Instagram, and the Facebook.
Today for lunch, you have the option of bangin' chicken bites with dinner roll, Tony's pepperoni pizza, ham it up cheese calzone, or say cheese cheeseburger.
That's it for today. We hope you have a wonderful day, and if you've forgotten, we're in A school.
Yes, we
We
are.
hope you have a Mystical Monday, Cats.